Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are dedicating this video to the Pride month. So the book I'm talking about today is You Know Me Well. It's written by Nina LaCour and David Levithan. This book is about two teens from San Francisco Bay Area, Mark and Katie. They have sat next to each other in calculus for the whole year, but they hardly know each other. Until an unexpected encounter in a gay bar where Mark is taking part in a very unusual competition. So Mark is hooking up with his best friend Ryan, and he's also madly in love with him, but Ryan does not love him back the same way. Similarly, Katie is longing to meet this girl Violet, who is her cousin's friend, and she is already in love with the idea of her and cannot wait to meet her. This book is a realistic story about first love, friendship, adventure and discovery. And apart from romantic dilemmas, there are also other things like self-doubt and trying to figure yourself out when you're a teenager. For example, Katie is very anxious to go to college because she thinks she's not good enough, and Katie is an artist and she thinks her art is not good enough for her to go into a prestigious college. There are a lot of emotional complexities involved in this story. For example, when Katie finally meets Violet, instead of talking to her, she just runs away because she's scared that she might not be the person who she imagined she would be. And also Mark, he's clearly friend-zoned with Ryan, but he still does not say anything when he sees Ryan hooking up with some other person. They're both insecure and confused and trying to figure what is happening inside their head. This book is very authentic and convincing in many ways. First of all, it's set in the previous week of San Francisco Pride Parade. And also the character of Mark, where he's shown as very imperfect. He's very unpredictable, and when you're reading it, you're so frustrated with him that you don't know why he's doing what he's doing. And also the best thing about this story is their platonic friendship, Mark and Katie's platonic friendship, and how once you make an instant connection with someone and they stay your friend for the rest of your life. As a reader, when you're reading this book, you care deeply about these characters and you want everything to work out really well. And this is a realistic story, and it's for people who are figuring themselves out and feeling lonely. But when you read this book, you realize that you're not alone on this journey. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.